Okay, apparently my little free video recorder only lets me record a few minutes at a time. Anyway, we were copying and pasting. I'm probably going to make a one-question test here.
Number 10.
Oh, good. Number 10. And then here, this is important for the graded test. You want to click Answer Key. Here's where you determine how many points you want this to be worth. This is where you also need to choose the correct answer. You must choose and show which one is going to be your correct answer. If you want to add feedback to your answer, you can do that here. That would be if they're going to see the correct answer, you could give them feedback there. Okay, and once that's done, I can add a new question. There are so many things you can do here. You can add a video. You could have them watch a video about safety in the science lab, and then you could pose questions based on that video. You could relate that to any subject area. You can post a picture for them to identify objects. The most important things here when you want a graded test is to include your points, to include your answer. When you click on it, it lets you edit the question. To make sure you click Required, because they cannot submit this test until you click Required. Let me rephrase that. They can't submit it if you've clicked Required and they didn't do it. Okay? All right, so let's say I finished my test up. Sorry, click Happy. And you are ready to give them this test. Okay, so this little eyeball here lets you preview it. I always preview my test. You can take a practice so that you can see, I've got something here that I need to go back and fix. I was trying to do this really quick. I have a whole 5-point test here. I'm going to have to click that. This is terrible test demo. I'm going to get it wrong and make an F. Submit. Okay, so yeah, you finished. I hope you didn't fail. Well, I did. View your score. Okay, so the student can see that they made a 0. All right, and they can X that out. And what can the teacher see? Well, here now, back on your screen, you can see the responses. And the more responses that pour in, you actually get graphs. For every question, you will be able to see your average, your median, your range, frequently missed questions. Apparently, I only have one question. You will be able to see charts and graphs that will just make Miss Story's heart sing. Okay? The more responses you have, the better those will look. You can see the summary. You can see it by individual question. And you can see it by individual student. So if you need to print that student's test out, you can. You can then click right here and create a spreadsheet. This spreadsheet creates in your Google Drive. It automatically saves. It's a wonderful tool. Here it goes. It's just doing its magic and creating that for me with my slow internet. It makes me want to scream. It's doing its thing. There we go. So now I have this wonderful, just imagine this filled up with student names and their scores, and it's time stamped, you see. So if Terrible Test took this 3 times, I could see which one I needed to take. Okay. It even gives me, their answers here. So you can easily print out a grade sheet to enter in into your grades. It's fabulous. I love it. and it automatically updates for you. Every time a student takes a test, it automatically updates into this spreadsheet for you. It is a miracle. It's a wonderful thing. So I hope that you will be able to start doing this and just have a great time doing it. Enjoy my teacher tribe.